Yo, you already know what it is. It's your boy LKJimmy, live and direct, day 20, day 29. We almost done with the 30-day challenge, man. It's been a long 30 days, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. Like, I didn't realize how much it took into making content every day, but it's definitely a lot of work. Now, with good methods put in place, I think it's definitely doable. Editing videos alone, now I don't know if it's because this is not what I do. Music, if I could probably do that. Editing videos alone, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll get better at it, but it's one of those tasks where it's very tedious. And you know what I'm saying? So maybe not. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's one of those things where it's always going to be tedious. But we got a sample from my guys over at Machine Masters, though. So we're going to hop into that. Shout out to my guys over at Machine Masters, man. So AG Got Beats, that's his IG. And then Billy Blast. If you learn how to sample correctly, all of their content can be used to make a song. You know what I'm saying? And that's really a crazy thing to have, you know what I'm saying? Because crate digging takes up a lot of your day. So we're gonna get right into it. There's really nothing else left to do but to make some good music. So that's what we're gonna do. I think what I pride myself on when it comes to sampling, being able to grab a 4-bar loop and start from there, because that's really the basis from where I sample. If I could pull out about 4 bars, that's a easy chop. 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, boom. So I know I'm gonna cut it right here. So if I know I'm gonna cut it right here, essentially, easily, I should be able to solo this, boom. Hit 0, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. So, and if I want to snap it to this tempo right here, I don't even have to find the tempo, because if I wanted to, boom, I could just snap it to that 4, to the end of that 4 bar. Come back here, boom. Alright, so when it's a little bit off tempo, you know, especially because these are real instruments being played, we're gonna just fix it a little bit. Alright, so basically what we just did was we did the same method. We went into the chops that we got from the first part of the song, and we literally, boom, clicked every hit of the wave file. So guys that aren't musical, we can get in here and you really don't even have to 2, 3, 4. You don't even have to count it as a percussionist, as I would, or as someone who, you know what I'm saying, knows how to play the music. All of these hits, boom, 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 boom. So if you have the tempo of any sample, honestly, there's a rhythm to every song. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to get in there and feel it, oh, that's a chop. Now we got every chop on the atom. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I just loaded up an arpeggiator. As you can see right here, we got the a chop from the first set of chops we got. We made that the first part of the verse, or just kind of the first structure of the song. The second chop that we got, boom, made that a part of the song, and we got it kind of structured out. So basically, we got all of our chops right here, structured out to the first part of the song. All right, so I just chopped up a Yusuf Days kind of, I think he out of London. So he had an interview, just chopped it up from YouTube.
diable, the gay gas key.